Hey guys, and on today's video, we're going to be factory setting your MetaQuest. This is the exact same instructions whether it's MetaQuest 2 or MetaQuest 3. So right now I have both of them. I have a MetaQuest 3 and a 2, and we're going to go on and just factory restore one of them. So right now, we're going to go on and choose the MetaQuest 2. Once you do that, just go into headset settings. That's all the way down here, almost in the bottom. Well, basically all the way in the bottom. Tap on there. And then from here, just going to advanced settings. It's around the middle-ish, advanced settings. And then your very last option will say factory reset. What will this do? This will delete all your information from within the headset. That's it. You're not deleting your account. You're just taking it out from your headset. All right. So if you guys bought a new headset or you just want to update to the new MetaQuest 3 and you had the 2, well, you can still use your SIM account on the new MetaQuest. You're not deleting your account. You're just deleting it from the headset. So you guys can go on and sell it or gift it to a friend or whatever you guys are going to do. So go on and press on reset. And that's it, guys. You just resetted your MetaQuest 2. It would be the exact same thing if you wanted to reset your, factory restore your MetaQuest 3. You would also go into headset settings and then go on and do that. Now, if you guys can't click on the settings, headset settings, just make sure to turn on your MetaQuest. That's the only reason you wouldn't be able to tap on the settings themselves. It would be kind of grayed out. Is only because you don't have your headset turned on. So make sure to have it turned on. Then you should be able to do this just fine. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.